Once again, Tupperware makes your life easier. Thanks to the Tupperware microwave pasta maker, you can cook pasta anytime you want in the microwave oven. Yes, you heard right, in the microwave. Let me show you how. The microwave pasta maker is composed of two parts, a top cover and a base. The base has a usable capacity of 1.9 liters, which allows you to cook pasta for up to 6 average portions. The rectangular shape is suitable for most types of pasta, such as spaghetti, linguine, penne, farfalle, shells, noodles, specialty pasta, whole wheat pasta, stuffed pasta, and even fresh pasta. The curved design inside the base lets the water circulate all around the pasta and prevents sticking or overboiling. The base has 3 windows on each side to indicate the level of pasta and the corresponding level of water according to the amount of pasta that you will cook. Each window can be seen from the inside of the product. The portions are represented by a pictogram indicating 1, 3 or 5 portions on one side and 2, 4 or 6 portions on the other side. Use the flat line to measure the portions of pasta. The wave line indicates the water level corresponding to the pasta portion. You have a maximum filling line at 6 portions. This means that you can cook a maximum of 6 portions of pasta with a corresponding level of water. Around the base is a large, strong, secure and ergonomic rim which acts as a handle. Ribs on each side will protect hands from the heat. You do not need to use oven gloves when carrying the hot pasta. On one side of the base, holes allow to drain pasta instantly and easily. The cover fits securely into the top rim of the base. To cover and drain, place the side with the cutout aligned to the draining holes of the base. To cover and close, place the cutout of the cover opposite to the draining holes of the base. It maintains the pasta warm until you are ready to serve. The cooking instructions are included in the leaflet of the product and are also conveniently etched in the inside of the cover. First, put the pasta in the microwave pasta maker and check to which level it corresponds. Select at least the level equal or above the pasta level. Here we will cook pasta for 4 portions. Add cold tap water until the indicated water level of the respective portion. Do not add any fat as it could damage the container. Be sure all the pasta is completely covered by water. For fresh pasta, push the pasta down slightly to check which water level will be needed. Now place the pasta maker in the microwave at about 800 watts and without cover. It is really important to not use the cover in the microwave oven, as otherwise the water could overflow. Check the cooking time indicated on the package and add 4 to 12 minutes according to the number of portions, the type of pasta, the power setting and the desired texture. For example, whole wheat pasta will take longer to cook, or you might want to reduce the time to obtain pasta al dente. There is no need to pay attention, no need to stir or adjust water in the middle of the microwave cooking process. So no need to increase the cooking time if you add some salt. Once the pasta is cooked, remove the microwave pasta maker carefully by holding it safely with both hands. Your microwave is left clean and safe from spills. Place the cover on the base, making sure the cover is in the draining position. Hold it securely on the ribbed handles and drain above the sink away from yourself. Then stir the pasta using a plastic utensil such as a Tupperware kitchen tool. Your pasta is now ready to serve. The design of the microwave pasta maker makes it suitable to serve directly at the table, on a trivet, or on the reversed cover. As you can see, cooking pasta in the microwave is fast and easy. with a Tupperware microwave pasta maker save time and energy by measuring, cooking, draining, serving and storing all in one container. And they are delicious